Hello and welcome to a tutorial about Bing ads. So what are Bing ads? Well, if we go to bing.com, okay, and we type in the search engine, maybe red shoes, okay, we're going to see ads up here on the top and the right, about red shoes. Okay, and so that's what Bing ads does for you. To get you to advertise to the masses whatever keyword that you use. Okay, so maybe we want red boots, just like that. If we go to red boots, you can see that we get a different set of people that are advertising for their keyword phrases, red boots. Okay, so the campaign. It's all about the campaign, okay? So I'm going to go through here. We're going to teach you how to add a campaign and add keywords. So it's pretty easy. As you can see, I got some campaigns already started here. But I'm just going to create campaign. And since this is A1 Website Pro, we will call this A1 Website, the A1 Website Pro campaign. Just like that. And then we're going to select a time zone. And we live in the Eastern time zone in the United States. What we're going to do is do a campaign budget of $25 a day. Okay, and that's what it's going to max out at, $25 a day. And I like doing by the day because you can keep track better. If you do it by the month and you use all this stuff up at the beginning of the month, then you're kind of screwed. So $25 a day. Here's you're going to target your language, and of course we're going to be targeting English, all English languages, UK, South America, North America. Okay, so now what locations do you want to target or exclude? Okay, so this says Canada, but what I'm going to do is all available countries, all available regions, and this is going to let me advertise to the world, okay? And so if I wanted to maybe just click a specific, maybe I only wanted to advertise in New York City, I would type in New York City here. New York City or whatnot, or we could do a search, and then we could target or exclude just like that. But we're not going to do that because we're gonna go ahead and select all available regions. The text type is going to be a text ad. Now here's the ad title. Now notice this is a 25 character limit, so you cannot put in any more than 25 characters. We've explained this to several people in the past, and they just there's just no way around this. This is going to be the ad. So maybe we'll advertise for A1 Website Pro's new app that we have on the market. We'll call it the web development. Here, let me switch my capitals. The web development app. And then you can see we have one more character remaining. Estimate the value of your website. Keep track of your logins. Get free estimates. And more. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you can see I ran out of room. So that's, once they limit you, and I believe this ad here, yeah, you have 71 characters that we could put in there. So, sometimes it's a little bit hard. Estimate, okay, so, and then here we have the display URL. We'll go a1websitepro.com, just like that. And now this destination URL, this is very important. For instance, if I was advertising for a product here, I want to take them to the product page. I don't want to take them to my home page. I want the searchers out here that are looking for red boots, whenever they click on this ad, I want them to take them to a page where I have my red boots. This Country Outfitters, where it's asking me to enter an email address, what are you going to do here? You're not going to do anything. You're going to click off of there, and you're going to go back to the Bing search engine, and you're going to find some place where you can get red boots. Now notice they did something pretty slick there. Whenever I click the back button to go back to my Bing search engine, they took me to a place that had red boots. So that's also a pretty nifty thing to do. But it gets irritating if you're trying to get out of something and you can't because people want to keep you trapped within that. So this destination URL has to be the link to the product. And the link to this particular product is the A1 app. And I'm just going to put HTTPS because it is a secure server. And so that's what we want to do. Excuse me. Okay, so now bid type, we could do keywords or placements, okay? What we're going to do is keywords. Okay, what we're going to look for is people that are typing in web development app, just like that. Yeah, that'd be a great keyword. And then I'm going to go to the next line. How about website estimator? Something like that. How about, let's see here, website value estimator. Okay, so the point is I could go and select a lot of keywords that I want to show up for. Click add, okay, and here I can adjust my bid. If I want it higher than 71, lower 71, you know, first page bid. You know, that this will give you some suggestions on what you should be bidding for the first page. Okay, and then you just click save just like this. All right. Okay, now I'm going to, the next thing that I'm going to save is the bids and targeting. You see, I could bid, my bid is set at 30 cents. I could raise that to 60 cents. And then on my content network, this means other websites that are off the Bing search engine, I can change that bid too to 60 cents so that it'll show up first. I could go down here and I could target the days and the time, maybe the genders and locations, the devices I want my ad to show up on, and so forth. So like if I just wanted to show up on mobile devices, I can target those. What type of ad distribution networks, the pricing model. I could schedule this ad to go for a certain length of time. If I do not want my ad to show up on certain websites, I can hit exclusions. For ad rotation, I could show what ads that I want to show the most within this campaign. Keyword matching options, whether I want to use broad or exact keywords. I'm just going to accept all the defaults for the sake of time and click save. Okay, just like that there. All right, now you'll notice now I have another campaign here, and it's $25 a day. It's eligible. If I go inside this and I scroll down through these different things, you'll see I got my first ad here. Okay, and whenever I click on that, it's going to bring up my different keywords that I have there. If I click ads again, it's going to show me the ad that I have. If I need any ad extensions, I can do those here. Of course, that's another lesson. I can adjust my settings, different opportunities within those things. But the main thing that you want to concentrate on is the ad, okay? So now let's say that you wanted to create another ad within this same campaign, okay? So you click create an ad, okay? There's no sense in, if everything's going to be set the same, you're going to be advertising the AWOL Website Pro app. What you want to do is you want to go in here. It's going to be another text ad, and maybe app, just like this, app for web development. Okay, just like that. And maybe, have you ever wondered what it would cost for a new website? Download this. Okay, so I ran out of time, or I ran out of space. Okay. But maybe that looks good. I don't know. So, and then I could select my device preference, mobile. you know, or not non-mobile. And then click Save. Now, the interesting thing about this is that this is all in the same campaign, my A1 Website Pro campaign. So I can make as many ads that I want and target the same keyword phrases, you know, over and over again, you know, within this exact same campaign. So it's Bing ads are pretty easy to do. The only requirement is you need to have a Microsoft account like @live.com or whatnot, and then you sign up for this, and then you have to link your bank account, which I'm not going to show you that, but what you want to do is right over here where click Accounts and Billing, just click on Add Your Bank Account. That's pretty much self-explanatory, but I just showed you how to do these ads, create these ads, and add your keyword phrases. The only other thing that I'd like to show you is that you can add negative keyword phrases, okay? So let's see here. If I go here, let's see, come down, add keywords. Oh, sorry, I just saw it. Let me go back. Negative keywords. Okay, so maybe on my negative keyword, I wanted to add something like websites suck, or something like that. Okay, so that's a negative keyword that I don't want to show up for. Okay, or something like that. So a better one would be something that had to do with my app, like web apps suck, or something like that. You know, some things that I don't want to show up for that are probably related to some of the keywords that I've already implemented. So these are your negative keywords for this particular campaign, and these are your keywords for this particular campaign. Okay, so that's it. That'll get you started with Bing Ads, and we're going to go ahead and go do a Google AdWords and show you the difference between it. Bing Ads is pretty easy. Their policies are not as stringent as they are with Google, Amazon, and Facebook, but maybe we'll do Facebook next.